So now we're going to talk about the 5 lights of nature. So this is really important, guys. When you're painting or drawing, you have to keep in mind what the light does. So this specular light, this is what I always call a highlight, okay? Specular highlight. That's the, that's where the sun hits the most direct. And then you have a diffused highlight, so that's right in this area as it starts to go into the darker color. Then there's the shaded side, so the side that's purpley here, that's the shaded side of the object, okay? The object right now is the egg. All right, and then there's a reflected light. So say there was I don't know, something bright over here, then you would have this light reflected. If it was something orange over here, you would have it would be more on the orangey side, okay? And then there's the cast shadow is right here. And I'm gonna do this because you can't really see it. Can you see it when I do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So this is the cast shadow. And the cast shadow is darkest near the object, and then it gets lighter as it moves away from the object. Okay? There. So there's the 5 lights of nature, and you're going to find that right here. Okay, so you have your highlight is here, then your diffused light, and then it gets really dark here where your shadow is, and then your reflected light right here. This is reflected. See these little light spots here? That's these eggs reflecting onto the back egg. And then the shadows are obviously all around underneath. With a very, very, very lightly, okay? 2H pencil if you have one. I want you to very lightly draw a little oval where your highlight is going to be so that you don't forget, okay? And paint over top of it. We got it wet. We go into the cobalt blue. We're working tea consistency, so that means there's quite a bit of water, but you don't want your brush to be soaking wet, so you dab it off on your paper towel a little bit, okay? And then we're going to start at the outside and paint in, okay? Trying to make sure that the darker colors are on the outside and they get lighter as we go towards the inner part. And to do that, we add a little bit of paint to a little bit of water to our brush, and that dilutes the color and makes it lighter. Okay, now I've got a line happening here, so I've got my brush loaded in water, and I'm going around that area. Now on this one you have to be careful for the reflection, okay? So there's a reflection that goes, I'm going to take a clean brush, so there's a reflection right here and a reflection right here. So don't lose those reflections.